Rock, paper, scissors. Who gets to open it first?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Bam!
All right, Dylan. Get your little box. Corby, watch Dylan open it. Slip it out. No, slide it out.
I got it.
I don't know what you know.
Don't. Hey. See?
What is in there?
Aww.
Oh, what do you think that is?
Do you think I should open it?
Yes.
Okay. Rip. Maybe.
Hold on, P. Hold on. Let's see what Dilla got.
Maybe it's a book.
What? What did Dilla get? A white box.
Another one?
What did he get?
No. Is it Call of Duty Ghosts?
Yes! Yes!
Where is the thing for it?
Oh, he took off the ribbon off his head.
Okay.
Where is it?
What is that?
PS4. Get the PS4 digital. Get the PS4 digital version of Call of Duty Black Ops Ghosts for $10.
Turn around. Let me see.
Hey, I had
What did you get? Let me see.
I got Call of Duty Black Ops Ghosts. No. Thank you for giving me Call of Duty Black Ops Ghosts.
Ah, what are you gonna do with it?
Play it.
Are you mean right now?
Later.
Later.
Later. And once I'm done, you can probably pull up the video. Yep. You can watch me play it.
All right.
Maybe.
Are you gonna pull the disc?
Ooh. Can't wait to see what the disc looks like.
Hold on, P. Hold on, P. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Let's see what
It
Mom.
says-
What kind of disc Mom got?
What's
It says-
this look like? Looks the same. Neversoft, Raven, Activision, Infinity Ward. Call of Duty Ghost Season Pass. 4 DLC packs. Save $10. Details inside. Missiles.
Hold on.
Awesome!